Have you ever found yourself wondering if that special woman in your life feels the same spark you do? Perhaps you've noticed those subtle cues, a smile that lingers, a glance that holds a moment longer than it should. But how can you really tell if her interest is genuine? The truth is, women often communicate their attraction not through spoken words, but through a language of actions and behaviors. Their bodies and their nonverbal signals can reveal the answers you're searching for. If she's truly drawn to you, there are certain signs she'll unconsciously display. So, what are these powerful, unspoken indicators? Let's delve into the fascinating psychology of female attraction and decode the nonverbal cues that truly reveal her interest. Stick with us until the end of this video, because by the time it's over, you'll have a clear roadmap to understanding her feelings without ever having to ask. Sign 1. Eye contact, the silent confession. Let's begin with one of the most potent forms of communication, eye contact. Have you ever caught her gazing at you, and as your eyes meet, she quickly looks away? That's rarely an accident. In fact, research indicates that sustained eye contact can trigger feelings of intimacy and emotional connection. It's an unconscious way she signals her attraction to you. If you notice her eyes locking with yours more frequently, or if her pupils dilate when you're around, these aren't just coincidences. They are clear indicators that something deeper is at play. Remember, women are often more intuitive than they let on, and their eyes rarely lie. But what about when she catches your gaze and then shyly looks away? That's another significant sign. She might be trying to conceal her attraction to you. It's her way of keeping the connection alive without feeling completely exposed. Fascinating, isn't it? Sign 2. Body language. Actions speak louder than words. Did you know that over 90% of all communication is nonverbal? This means her body language is telling you far more than her words ever could. If she consistently faces you directly during conversations, with her body relaxed and open, it's a subconscious sign that she's comfortable and interested in you. Keep an eye out for small, telling gestures. Perhaps she plays with her hair, subtly adjusts her clothing, or lightly touches her neck. While these might seem like minor actions, they're actually her way of drawing attention to herself. Women have an innate instinct to appear more appealing when they're around someone they like. And when she leans in a little closer to you, it's not just because she wants to hear you better. It's her way of reducing the emotional and physical distance between you. She's making herself more accessible, creating space for a deeper connection. These subtle cues are incredibly powerful. Sign 3. Laughter, the ultimate connection. Laughter is a massive component of attraction. Think about it. How much more easily do you laugh around someone you're genuinely interested in? The same holds true for her. If she finds your jokes funnier than they probably are, it's a clear indication that she's emotionally drawn to you. Beyond just laughter, pay attention to playful teasing or lighthearted sarcasm. These moments are her way of building rapport with you, keeping the mood light and enjoyable. It shows she's comfortable enough to let down her guard and reveal her playful side. But here's the crucial point. Laughter creates a bond. It's not just about the joke itself, it's about the shared experience. When a woman laughs with you, she's connecting with you on a deeper emotional level. If she's willing to close that gap between you, whether by leaning in when you speak or positioning herself closer to you in a crowded space, it's a clear signal that she's comfortable and desires a stronger connection. And if she initiates touch during this proximity, like lightly brushing your arm or tapping your shoulder, these small touches are rarely accidental. They are deliberate and meaningful. When she enters your personal space, it's not just about physical closeness. It's an invitation to connect emotionally. This proximity isn't coincidental, it's intentional. When you recognize these signals, you'll understand that she's seeking to get closer, both physically and emotionally. Sign 4. Mirroring your movements, a deep psychological connection. It's truly fascinating how we tend to unconsciously mirror the movements and gestures of people we feel drawn to. Have you ever observed a woman leaning in when you do, or raising her hand just as you raise yours? This subtle behavior is part of a phenomenon known as the chameleon effect, where we imitate the actions of those we feel connected to. It's a sign that her body is attempting to synchronize with yours, a silent way of saying, "I resonate with you." Mirroring isn't merely a physical reaction. It signifies a deep psychological connection. Neuroscience shows that when we're attracted to someone, our mirror neurons activate, prompting us to mimic their movements. It's how our bodies communicate harmony and mutual understanding. When a woman mirrors you, whether through gestures, posture, or even tone of voice, it's a strong signal that she feels emotionally aligned with you. It's like a silent declaration of interest, a nonverbal cue that communicates, "I feel comfortable with you and I want to get closer." This mirroring behavior isn't confined to physical actions. It can also extend to your energy. If you're calm and composed, she might reflect that calmness. If you're upbeat and energetic, she may respond in kind, elevating her enthusiasm to match yours. This emotional resonance amplifies the connection, making it more profound and authentic. In essence, mirroring is a clear sign that she wants to connect with you. It's not just a coincidence, it's an unconscious invitation to build a deeper relationship. Sign 5. Sparks of collision, physical touch. When a woman finds ways to touch you, even in subtle, seemingly accidental ways, it's one of the clearest indications she wants to get closer. A light brush on your arm during a conversation, a gentle tap on your shoulder while laughing, or even a soft touch on your hand while passing something to you. These actions might appear casual, but they are often intentional. Touch is one of the most powerful nonverbal cues for expressing attraction. Research indicates that even the slightest touch can have a profound psychological impact. It triggers the release of oxytocin, often called the love hormone, which promotes bonding, trust, and emotional connection. Think about it. When she leans in closer and lightly touches your arm, does it ignite something within you? Does it make you more aware of her presence and feel a deeper connection? If so, you're experiencing the power of touch in action. These brief moments of physical connection can significantly deepen your emotional bond and increase attraction. Even playful gestures, like a gentle nudge with her shoulder when she laughs at something you've said, can create a shared moment of joy and intimacy. This kind of touch builds trust and affection, inviting a deeper connection without the need for words. So, the next time she touches your arm or shoulder, don't just dismiss it. Recognize it as an invitation to explore a deeper emotional connection, one that could lead to something truly meaningful. Sign 6. Lingering after the conversation. Have you ever been engaged in a conversation where, after the main topic concludes, she lingers for a little longer than strictly necessary? She doesn't rush off. Instead, she continues talking, laughing at your jokes, or simply maintains a close proximity. This lingering is one of the most subtle yet powerful signs of interest. When a woman lingers after a conversation, it's often a deliberate choice. She's signaling that she enjoys your company and wants to prolong the connection with you. In fact, psychologists argue that when someone feels emotionally attracted to another, their instinct is to extend their time together to nurture that connection. This behavior isn't random. It's a conscious decision that reflects her emotional state, the desire to be near you and enjoy the bond you're building. She may even lean in closer or maintain eye contact, signaling that she's emotionally engaged and interested in deepening the interaction.